In today's video, we're diving into 10 ways that you can start making money online with $0. So whether you've got a phone, a laptop, or just a bit of time, these methods are perfect for anyone looking to build an income without an upfront investment. I'm gonna break down exactly how you can get started, and we'll talk about the pros, cons, and real-world examples of people making money using each of these methods. So if you're ready to turn that free time into cash, then let's get started. Number one, freelancing with skills that you already have. Freelancing is one of the most flexible and easiest ways to make money online with $0 upfront. Whether you know how to design, write, edit videos, or create thumbnails, there's a demand for your skills. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Guru are great places to start offering your services, and the best part is that you can set your own rates. For example, if you can create thumbnails for YouTubers, you're in luck. Thumbnails are super important, and creators are willing to pay good money for high quality designs. The thing about YouTube is if a video thumbnail doesn't stand out, then people won't click on it, meaning that the video won't get views. This makes thumbnails a high demand skill, and you don't even need expensive tools to make them. There are free resources like Canva that you can use to create professional looking thumbnails. You can learn how to make thumbnails on YouTube for free and start offering your services for as little as $5 per thumbnail. But if you're good at it, you can charge much, much more. Imagine this. A top freelancer on Fiverr charges $200 for a single thumbnail. If you price your services at half of that, say $100, and your thumbnails are just as good, you'll get more clients because of your competitive pricing. The key here is learning the skill and then underpricing the competition to get your foot in the door. But maybe you don't know how to make thumbnails yet. No worries. There are hundreds of free tutorials on YouTube, and within a week, you could be ready to start charging for your services. If you want to get started with Canva, you can go ahead and get started for free using the link down in the description. Number two, become a proofreader or editor. If you're someone who's always spotting typos or correcting your friend's grammar, then this one's for you. Proofreading and editing is a service that's always in demand. There are countless blogs, articles, ebooks, and reports being written every day, and all of them need to be checked for errors. And here's where it gets interesting. You don't even need to do the editing yourself anymore. With AI tools like ChatGPT or Grammarly, you can proofread documents in a fraction of the time. Let me break it down for you. A client sends you a 5,000 word document to proofread. You paste the text into ChatGPT, ask it to correct the grammar, and check for spelling mistakes. And within seconds, you have a polished version of the document, ready to send to your client. Platforms like Guru.com have freelancers making up to $100 an hour for proofreading, and the best part is that you can use AI to speed up the process, allowing you to take on more clients and make more money. If you love reading and you want a steady flow of work, then proofreading is a great way to get started, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. If you want to get started with 30 days of Grammarly Premium for free, then be sure to click the link down in the description for Grammarly. Number three, dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without ever handling the inventory yourself. Here's how it works. You create an online store, select products from a supplier like Zendrop, and list them on your site. We recommend hosting your store on something like Shopify. If you click the link down in the description below, you can get started with a 3-day free trial, and then after that, it's only $1. Now, when a customer makes a purchase, Zendrop handles the fulfillment, shipping the product directly to your customer. You never have to worry about packing, shipping, or managing inventory. One of the biggest benefits of dropshipping is that you can test market demand for free on social media. Before spending a dime on inventory or even your Shopify or Zendrop account, you can create ads, post about your products, and gauge interest. If you see traction or a lot of engagement, that's a good sign that your product has potential. This way, you only invest in products that you know are in demand, reducing the risk and helping you focus on what sells. Zendrop makes this process incredibly smooth. Their platform connects seamlessly with your online store and offers options to source quality products, along with automated order fulfillment. Plus, they have fast shipping times compared to other dropshipping suppliers, which can lead to happier customers and fewer support issues. Let's say you find a trendy product on Zendrop for $10, like a hoodie or a phone case. You can list that product on your store for $30. When someone buys it, you keep the $20 difference. This kind of simple business model has allowed many people to earn thousands of dollars per month, often scaling up to 6 figures with time and consistent effort. So if you're willing to learn and get creative with your marketing, dropshipping with ZenDrop is a game changer that's not only affordable, but also incredibly scalable. If you want to get started with ZenDrop, go ahead and click the link down below in the description. You can get 50% off your subscription right now, as well as $200 in order credits, which is basically like free money. So go ahead and click the link down in the description for ZenDrop. Number 4, creating a faceless YouTube channel. Don't want to be on camera, but you still want to make money on YouTube? Well, you're in luck. Faceless YouTube channels are a booming trend. You can create content without ever showing your face by using stock footage, royalty-free images, and voiceovers. And the best part is that you don't need a fancy camera. Your phone will do just fine. Here's how you do it. Pick a niche that has mass appeal. Relaxation sounds, motivational videos, and top 10 lists are all popular categories for faceless channels. For example, rain sounds for sleeping are hugely popular, and these videos rack up millions of views. Once you start getting views, you can earn money from YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. There are apps like iMovie and InShot that allow you to edit videos on your phone or computer. Combine royalty-free footage from websites like Pexels or Unsplash with a simple voiceover reading a script, and you've got yourself a YouTube video. You don't even need to record the voiceover yourself. You can even use AI-generated voices from platforms like 11 Labs. Now, if you're not sure what to post or what's trending on YouTube, there are 2 tools that are going to really help you succeed in a faceless YouTube channel. The first one's vidIQ. And you can go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started for only $1. The other tool is TubeBuddy, and this works very similar to vidIQ, helping you choose what's in demand but is easy to rank for. These 2 tools are very helpful when it comes to ranking on YouTube, which is going to be the key ingredient to your success. So if you want to get started with either vidIQ or TubeBuddy, be sure to click the links down below in the description. Now, the key to success here is consistency. The more content you create, the faster your channel will grow. YouTube rewards channels that post regularly, so aim to post at least once a week to see steady growth. 5, transcribing audio into text. Ever listen to a podcast or an interview and thought, hey, I could get paid to write this down? That's basically what transcription is. You get paid to listen to audio files and type out what's being said. This could be anything from podcasts, interviews, or even lectures. You can make this whole process so much easier by using Rev.com, the #1 speech-to-text app. If you want to get started with Rev.com, be sure to click the link down below in the description. This tool converts audio into text in minutes, allowing you to take on more work than someone manually typing everything out. If you want an easy way to make money online while listening to interesting content, then this could be a side hustle for you. Number 6, posting short form content on Instagram or TikTok. Here's a zero investment strategy that can help you build a large social media following and eventually earn money. You can grow an Instagram or TikTok account simply by reposting viral content. Now, the key here is to make sure that you give credit to the original creator, and this is totally legit as long as you do that. So pick a niche, whether it's fitness, funny clips, or motivational videos, and start reposting popular content. With platforms like Instagram Reels and TikTok, it's easy for your content to go viral, even if you're just starting out. Once your account grows, then you can charge for promotions or do affiliate marketing by linking the products in your bio. I've seen people charge hundreds of dollars for a single shout out, and they started by simply reposting viral clips. Number 7, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most powerful ways to make passive income online. The way it works is simple. You promote a product or service, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. And the best part is that once you set things up, the income becomes passive, meaning that you can keep getting paid for work that you did once. To really succeed in affiliate marketing though, having a website is crucial. While you can share affiliate links on social media or YouTube, a website allows you to build a solid, professional presence where people can always come back to find valuable recommendations. Plus, it gives you space to optimize content for search engines, which means more traffic and potential commissions over time. For setting up your website, we recommend Hostinger, Bluehost, or Wix, as they're all great options that can get you up and running affordably. Right now, Hostinger is starting an early Black Friday sale. So if you click the link down in the description, it's going to bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and get started for as low as $249 per month. Just click on claim the deal and you can go ahead and choose from one of Hostinger's 3 plans. plans: premium plan, the business plan, and the cloud startup plan. For most of you just getting started, the premium plan will be more than enough. You can create over 100 websites, supports over 25,000 monthly visits. You get 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, free email, free domain for the first year, and a lot more. So just go ahead and click on choose plan. And then here, all you need to do is go ahead and choose the term that you want to commit to, either 1 month, 12 month, 24 months, or 48 months. For this option, we'll go ahead and select on 12 months. And then the last thing you want to do is come over here to the coupon code and type in code Charlie Chang and click apply. And as you can see, for only $32.29, you're going to get a full year of hosting on Hostinger for your website, which is an incredible deal. So if you want to get started with Hostinger, be sure to click the link down in the description and type in code Charlie Chang at checkout. Now, once your site is live, you can start creating content around the products that you're promoting, whether that's through blog posts, product reviews, or tutorials that include your affiliate links. Now, if you're brand new to affiliate marketing and you want to get started with the right strategy, then be sure to check out our free affiliate marketing course on SideHustleMastery.com. It covers everything that you need to know, from finding the best affiliate programs to generating traffic and scaling your earnings. With the right foundation, affiliate marketing can become a consistent, reliable income stream that's easy to maintain and scale. Number 8, selling social media accounts. This method is all about building a social media following and then selling the account. It sounds simple, and it is. Websites like FameSwap allow you to sell Instagram or TikTok accounts with large followings. How do you build the account? Use tools like likeforlike.org, which automatically engages with other users' content, helping you gain followers. As your account grows, you can sell it for hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars, depending on the niche and the number of followers. For example, an Instagram account with 50,000 followers could sell for $500 or more. This is a great side hustle if you don't have much time to dedicate, but you want to make money in the background. Number 9, starting your own podcast. With podcasting booming in popularity, now's the perfect time to start your own show and connect with a dedicated audience. Podcasts are a powerful way to share your knowledge, stories, or interviews in a personal, conversational format that people can enjoy while multitasking, whether they're commuting, working out, or just relaxing at home. If you've got a topic that you're passionate about, there's a good chance there's an audience eager to listen. Starting a podcast doesn't require a huge investment in equipment. In fact, many successful podcasters begin with just their smartphone or an entry-level microphone, like a USB mic, which delivers surprisingly professional audio. If you want to add that extra polish, simple accessories like pop filters or inexpensive editing software can make a difference in sound quality. One of the great things about podcasting is how accessible it's become. Platforms like Buzzsprout, Riverside FM, Castos, and Transistor FM make it easy to record, edit, and host your episodes all in one place. Now, each platform has some different strengths. Buzzsprout offers powerful analytics, a simple interface, and monetization tools to help you grow. Riverside FM is ideal for remote interviews as it records high-quality video and audio from each guest. Castos is great for creators wanting to integrate with WordPress or use private podcast feeds for premium content. Transistor.fm supports multiple shows under one account. Perfect if you plan to expand your content or test different formats. Now, once your podcast is live, you have several ways that you can monetize it. Sponsorships. Partner with companies to feature ads within your episodes. Many brands are eager to reach podcast listeners, especially if your show has a focused audience. Listener support. Platforms like Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee allow fans to support your work directly with donations or memberships. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services relevant to your content. So, for example, if you run a tech podcast, you could recommend gadgets or software using affiliate links to earn commissions. Starting a podcast can be a deeply rewarding venture. You can share your unique perspective, connect with like-minded people, and potentially turn your show into a reliable income stream. So, if you're serious about sharing your voice with the world, then check out these platforms and start planning your first episode. We'll go ahead and leave links for all those products down in the description below. Number 10, drop servicing. Drop servicing is like drop shipping, but for services instead of products. You find a client who needs a service, like logo design or video editing, and you outsource the work to someone else, usually on Fiverr or Upwork. You act as the middleman, pocketing the difference between what you charge the client and what you pay the freelancer. Let's say that you find a client who needs a logo design for $100. You hire a freelancer on Fiverr to do the work for $30, and you keep the $70 profit. It's a simple and effective business model, and the best part is that you don't need to do the work yourself. All you need is a website to list your services and you're good to go. This is a great way to scale a business quickly, as you can take on multiple clients at once without having to handle every job personally. To host your website, we recommend Hostinger, and we'll leave links for that down in the description below. So there you have it. Those are 10 ways that you can start making money online, starting with $0. Whether you're freelancing, dropshipping, or using AI tools to make tasks easier, there's no reason why you can't get started today. If you want to get started with any of the products or services that we talked about today, you'll find links for them down in the description below. Now, keep in mind these are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue making free content just like this. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make an extra income. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.